see it as it's now in the air, in the helicopter mode, with the rotors parallel to the ground. But as they come by, take a look at the bell-knowing switch in the pilot's left hand is a knob that he can move to transition this airplane from a helicopter into an airplane as the entire engine nacelle on the end of each wing rotates forward, so those huge rotors can now become propellers. Each of the jet engines, the Allison, formerly Allison, now Rolls-Royce engines made right here in Indianapolis, are powering this amazing airplane known as the V-22, the MV-22 Osprey. Major Tom Viper Cothran is the instructor pilot. He is a native of Indianapolis, Indiana. The other captain is Captain Anthony, and rotatable rotors, those propellers as they come by, can turn into vertical or horizontally placed rotors to let it perform just like a helicopter. Let's listen, because this is a very unique sound.
That's what they're talking about on the B model, is adding at least a gun to it.
I could almost feel it when it was going by. Ladies and gentlemen,